Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to see how to download and install Hotmail on our phone. So before that, it is very important for us to know that all the mailing services of Microsoft has been rebranded to Outlook. So now let's get started with the installation process. We just need to go to Play Store and we can see the search tab here. We just need to go there and type Hotmail. We just need to click on search and we can see Microsoft Outlook logo. So as I said previously, all the mailing services has been rebranded to Outlook. So we just need to tap on install to start the installation process. So we can see the installation process has already been started. In the meantime, we can discuss about Hotmail. So Hotmail is the first web mail services on internet. Today it is commonly known as Microsoft Outlook. Hotmail can be considered as more secure means of sending and receiving mail. So all the mails can be accessed from anywhere around the globe. Isn't it so convenient? So the process of installation is in its halfway and we can wait for few more seconds and the app will be ready to use. So the installation process is over, so we just need to tap on open. So we can see the home page of the Hotmail and we can create an account and start using it. So that is for today. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.